Badi ifilation ni kaungwa. Kai umdi au godben. Acha ngendo kama za Banpur. Filation ni kaungwa just ban mesika number 1.
Wow, 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 wow. Ah, damn. Wow, ooh, damn. Tom is a ban here. Tom is a ban. Tom is a ban. Johnny Kanko just been number one. I saw them YouTube video, but I saw they also number one for University Sudan and Lebanon. But what's going on? I'm behind news. Take a more in the jelly or lang. My long shock. What's going on there? I see people talking on Facebook right now that don't call for long or my hood or long shock, I don't know. But something is going on there. Chadung Jana Moja Pega? Chadung Jana Moja Peg for long? Lang deal guy. Chadung Jana Moja Peg for long deal guy. Because I see my brother on social media. Nathan Nas, Beaver. They're beeping everywhere. Beaver. They're beeping everywhere. And I got a pretty nice with Okuma. The so-called G Kuma Kawane. Woman wear not with Okuma there. I don't see them. Not with Okuma, the woman make you wear. They disappear. I look at Nuerkul Beaver. Beaver for social media, but everywhere is Beaver. Beaver. Facebook, Beaver. TikTok, Beaver. Instagram, Beaver. Everywhere is Beaver. Okuma Johnny, you ready? Okuma Dadanga bigger caves. What happened? Wala Dadanga, they don't make noise with social media anymore. You walk. You walk. You walk. Beaver was everywhere. Pilauner, Beaver. Beaver is everywhere. Israel. Woo! Beaver Gavir for Israel. Israel. Woo! Chadung Lian Moy. Chadung Lian Moy Israel. Israel. Jay Anwer for Israel. Damn. Yeah, Nuer is everywhere. Nuer Yayong. Nuer is everywhere. But you are. Jay Anwer for Marine Bajibara for America man Basa Kaman that Badujana Moyapek. Badujana Moyapek. I was surprised to see Jay Anwer for Israel. Israel. The Munuga Kalam de Galwag. What the fuck you doing, Israel? Chennai Dujana Moyapek. Damn. Nuer are everywhere. The Bila Banadu Nuer bigger than Mormorbas everywhere. Fi Khartoum de Nuer, fi Egypt de Nuer, fi Kenya de Nuer, fi Uganda de Nuer, fi Israel de Nuer, fi America de Nuer. Nuer bigger Chinese with you know. What happened here? Nuer bigger everywhere. I turn on my TV. And I should dol sila kabir the man sila bara salbakir. No. Sila dama bi junub. My medi de kabir de. Udol into back kabir fi dar bataw. Udol into buda jib. The baba ta ne kede. Ela policy na ra ko kulo. Ela gol gal bane dungjana mo pek. Ana goda ana shub Allah mata Israel. Allah mata Israel ba male. Dang dor kir fi Israel. What the fuck? Gangdorkir for Israel. Damn. Nuer is something. The Bila Manadu Nuer. ده مشكله كبيره، ده مشكله كبير. لو جيش بتاع اسرائيل فيه نور زي ده بعد شويه ده they will come to South Sudan and Israel will deal with Salva Kiir ما دانجا بتاعه ده هجا مشور. Israel will deal. لا Salva Kiir قال له في African Union ده Salva Kiir باريا مش هالون ديتينس باغلون سلام بتاع رياض مشار يو سلام بس براو 2018 peace agreement ما في سلام تاني. سلام بتاع كيرغوان كيرنيان كيروغوال كيرشنو ده ما في سلام في كيرغوان. ما في سلام تمعيني وصمايلي والشنو ده no fuck all of that. ده كلام ده African Union. تعال دي African Union ده fuck all of that. تمعيني كيرغوان كيرشنو no fuck all of that. The only peace agreement that we can support as African Union is only Riek Machar's signature 2018 peace agreement. Then Nigeria, 200 million and something Nigerian population. Gal ba Riek Machar must be released without condition. Gal lo hukuma da denga gada. Asa hukuma da denga become lone wolf. Hukuma da denga zare, hukuma da denga gad fi mushakil dare. Mushakil, shwal bata mushakil. Kuma jangli jari zek matit. Nigeria, just imagine Nigeria, the giant African, the well-educated African, the only Chinese of Africa. Gal ya Salva Kiir ay, ita ma gada kalam, ita ma gada door. Ile decision Riek Machar for what? Riek Machar must be released. Uman kulu tamene de, wala ta nuero gada decision de, they are not with salam daro. If a woman was no condition, Tawale, it hebe jabara, Dr. Abi gali akoya. You see Somali no judge with Africa forward. Judge with Abba Somali. Okay, Al Shabaab bigger terrorists, terrorizing Somali government and terrorizing the community. Ogalule, not del galo, you must do this and you must do that. They refuse. Yaw Dr. Abi, Malazina mechi Somali, Malazina mechi Somali, Mrs. Somali. 1 week bas Malazina Mrs. Somali kolo. Ujej bita Kenya jabu Somali, ujej bita Uganda, ujej bita Rwanda. Gal Salva Kiir ay. If you refuse to implement what we're telling you here in Addis Ababa, mafi more talking. African Union will deal with you. African Union will deal with you. As Salva Kiir fadiya gobodo. Salva Kiir maukumu da denga kulu fadiya gobodo. The entire world on the side of Nuer. The entire world on the side of Nuer. Whatever the Torokun is supporting is not as bang bang. Michi Wukunjuk more to support is not a bang bang. For me to support Nuer is the Makasara because I'm on the right side. On the right fucking side. I'm on the right side. On the right side. On the right fucking side. I know being on Salva Kiir's side is like being on Osama Bin Laden's side. Osama Bin Laden. Ramate Kel Salva Kiir. Ramate quit Osama Bin Laden. According to America, according to USA, according to USD, US Shunudare, according to UN. So Salva Kiir galu Riek Machar befugu. Riek Machar katala no. Talk to us. Kuchum. Gal fi African Union. Ila Salva Kiir jana brokwal. Beder gum fi Addis Ababa. What Salva Kiir didn't know mind tayara. Brokwal renal bramunu. Denkaw gari bi ubegar min miten. Gari bi ubegar bas koga yang bas kulmayum. Bagar. Yala maji Addis Ababa. Denkaw galo you must implement. Riek Machar must be released with no condition. Salva Kiir biga talan. Ay mu yedi. Wala bullshit. There could be masdar gal there shir tayara. Tayara tamunu. Indak tayara Salva Kiir ma yadit. Indak tayara tigre nya. Jangan mu jana ngongone. Salva Kiir ita gadi shil mo salata dole ta ne ita da kuju matar ramunu. Salva Kiir me gadi matar na gadi num matar na taban ma birenal. Lano schedule ta renal le gadi yeta zol dale. Shub hukuma da danga. Hukuma da ga garamal shugul gilada maindu tayara ta rais maindu tayara yo. Definitely ever yakwana. How shameful it is. Raise the cattle 450,000. Raise more than 450,000 life of human being. Till it was yellow. Jelly real Zoltani. Ma Salva Kiir Begar. Ma the Maganam Ganam Zaru the Begar Adil Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir knew now go to the real. They all Salu Finu Ran Chakal Fedisova Matal. They could you Matal Lana Torodo. They kick him out from the meeting of African Union. Lani he tried to talk in Dinka. Galo Salva Kiir is speaking English or Swahili. English or Swahili. No, language Mafi. English, Mafi, Swahili. Galo Kala is speaking Arabic. We will translate you. Mafi, Arabic, Galo. Kala Gal Jamatong Monjang. Jamatong Monjang. Yakadi, where the Gorial. Yakadi, Miss Warap. Salva Kiir, dito ba na Miss Warap? The African Union, the man Miss Warap as all. Dagar. Miss Warap, the African Union, Addis Ababa. Miss Warap. But Miss Warap, you don't know if Addis Ababa. That the column look at that guy now. Yella the Torabi gal moving. Kadamji, she'll Salva Kiir with Agumlet. She'll Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir gal, she'll Anna Matar. Kalam, Africa Garamulode. Fuck that. Anna Bokuchi Arab League. I will join the Arab League. Anna Bashil Danga de, my South Sudan de, and Bashil for Arab League. Salva Kiir was Matar, Salva Kiir Sullivan. Mind the Tayar Damun. It is Java Tayar Damun. Nora Laga of Matar. Now, don't the wheel. Don't listen by Yak them in Gayak. Zumbayak with Matar enough. Walking in Hereford, security Kabir. Man Salva Kiir go remove Matar right is over. Gala wanna go back to Juba. Juba let you more. Tigrianal. In the get Tayara, did you know Bajil Leva, get out of here. Leva, Darwell. Taro Salva Kiir Matar. Ila Danga gal pan yedekane. My own Mikila, raised but I'm got the dinner not Bakalam Fari da de mind to Tayara. Got the door with Tayara Tanasan. For dear Mafi. But they Mafi. Be Gruja Sarabuka Tirakulo. Gruja too much money being looted. Without nothing to show for. Yeah, Danga ya. Danga ya defedia. Shame ya Danga ya. Yeah, and for somebody to be called Danga today is a shameful word. It's a shameful name to be called Danga in entire Africa. Ata Nigeria is making fun of them on TikTok. Yeah, Nigeria is making fun of this motherfucker on TikTok. Those bums in Matar, but don't Tayara. It's a job, Mosaleta Zoltani, as old little Malaga Zola Salvageria, Maconcoja. Danga mind to Tayara. Ile Kurita for Beggar, Roboduvra, Nora, Gal, Matar Gal, no young Jabu now, Robodo Salvakir, Beggar now, Shilu Hotel. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. This is what we've been telling you, Denga cousin, Denga neighbor, Denga. It's a Karol lad. Think of your president. Al Serek Dola de Kulu. The one who looted the country, the entire country looted by Salva Kiir for 21 years. Like nothing to show for it. Tayara side. Zip it at Tayara Mavi. Zip. Jol Zara Mafi. Then up at Tayara Mavi. Zip it at Tayara Mavi. Zip Tayara Al Kabir. Mafi. Yella Danga Utunga de Columbus. Tunga de Columbus. Today the Chakal Ma African Union mind of Tayara. We are lying young. No, Nuerja mean Israel, just imagine, Israel. Nuer military for Israel. They are two Gabila into judge for Israel. What tribe in South Sudan has a military for Israel? So can Gabila I want to see this tribe. And I jump Silla, Aswad, the Salva Kiir. Silla is very dark like Salva Kiir. Silla al-Gharbi, Sudan is live skinny. Lakin Silla al-Gharbi Israel very dark like Salva Kiir. Look at Salva Kiir. Dola, Aswad. Salva Kiir is Busuma Ubiu. Ben Salbakir, lo shalu pisuk ashana biu bara. Ma pizol bebiu. Ma pizol bebiu. You know? Zol asod ana chubel silaba da ana gore nuere gan wen. Nuere gan fiya to dollar. Then I look lana but I know this Israel is very good. Ana chub yet nuere ne da alam mata Israel. Israel prak. Woo! Jej mata Israel. God from Malazal. Woman gal juba dung juba bene mo pet. Israel. Obanya men galo but just in 1 month. In a 1 month. In shorter than a month. In less than a month. Jej de benizal tawali. Jej de benizal fi Juba tawali. Jej with Anwar. They will take over Juba. You know? That's the capability. That's when tribe know what they're doing, this is what happened. While Denga Jerry were agreed out there, Nur Kada Fijay, Fi America and Maga Kalamu. Jay Guard, Yom America, Jay with America, Tanur, but I'm Nebraska in the National Guard or National Code, some Muchunu, Nebraska in the Ukiruma Niji Barra, you could feel like to go the Denga there, enough is enough. Ooh, Salvakere, but out of a Gumbi Juba. Now, Nur is doing well. Who told you that Nuer is not doing well? Nuer is doing well. And if you are Money Nuer, you should be proud of yourself. If you are Nyane Nuer, you should be proud of yourself. Just to be called a Nuer today, they're suffering. Oh, Nuer is getting killed. Every powerful nation went through this. Israel went through what Nuer is going through now. Israel went through what Nuer is going through now. America went through. Somebody who did not go through this, they're useless people. But more important people in the world, they go through this. Then they will come to power. Then after that, they will come to power. That's how God is dealing with them. They will go through a lot of worst time, downfalling, duruf. Ma Israel kan amalu zede. Israel kan taban, Israel katalu fi Germany. 6 million of Israel wiped out in Germany. Beprun. Woman mechi Egypt. It's a mar for Egypt. Ata Moses Jazzer, Shalom bara for Egypt. Or woman a Shalom kada woman fi malum ga adin fi walele. Lele. Cha dungi lawno mo japek. Israel today is the one top military in the world. What America kada bas. Ide shuda. So what's Menji Tuakenware is not different from what happened to Israel. It's not different to what happened to Israel, to what happened to America. America, who could be a desperation, wajade. America cannot garakul kara fi America in it. Cannot garakul kara. New York in the can mafia kulu. When New York was a capital city. They can mafia. Running New York, running the entire America. Wild West. Ite bukuj fi mal bata move gede ite bukuj fi mal ta mrisa besla cowboys gobran le gobre nas be chorob gede de nas biga sagranu to benya kamo jata zol. So what Nuer is going through is not different from those people, you know. More important, Nuer maintain their coolness and Nuer maintain their power. That's more important. They refuse to give up. Nuer give up. They refuse to give up. Because when you give up, you lose. You become a loser. When you give up, you lose. But when you continue, you will reach your destiny. Or your destiny. Do you think Judge Bata Israel will come to live video and show gun without knowledge from the government of Israel? No! It is done with intention. As a message to Salva Kiir. It is done with intention, good intention, as a message to Denga and Salva Kiir. If you are from military Israel, you cannot just come outside and oh God, Mafi. They were told to do that. To show Salva Kiir, that's America dalan Mendenga. America dalan. Lo America dalan, Israel dalan. Lo America dalan, Israel dalan. Oh, lo ite got to shoot jet. The reason they show this military. is to tell Salva Kiir that if you think about Kalanjin coffee in Sudan, forget about it. Nazal Beji Bishakal Magde, Nuer El Beji Bishakal Magde, 2 months from now. The man Nuer in the Kalanjin coffee. The Nuer Maji be the Baba technology. Technology. But the Zuluman for Abajinabus. Abajinabus. Nuer Maji be technology. Sila Kulu the computer. Sila the computer. The Baba the computer. Denga botoro be ganji bita Museveni da de ganji bita Museveni da de matar bot ma ba amala yaade ela Salva Kiir am looking up nuer kidnap Salva Kiir Salva Kiir am looking up len ni ma do jeg fi somewhere fi Israel fi sejene nak so tege moy te wa fi olang fi chekala fi olang gang dor Kiir ma SPLIO de dung som moy fi lang deu gai gang dor Kiir Wyoming SPLIO de dung som moy fi lang deu gai lana dengal gat fu lang da de mangong lo le yak da de tot dar gal mikela inta no mikela ma inta mikela binta someone from Nuer God with power yo mikela binta Nuer God with kursi look at that dengal fire yom mikela da junub Sudan binta de yom Nuer bu kuj bu kursi da lo Nuer ma kaje bu kursi da mikela ma binta is unfinished business. This is why now Gangdor Kiir Wyoming SPLIO they visit Olang. They went to visit Olang. What's up Monjang? I'm like tap not jera na gal no konkoi lisa aja kebir baji ila fi long show na God Kiir God Kiir fi long show cha dung jang no mo ke pega na galu le lol ni kier ga en ga ni kier bana lai en ga ni kier dung jang ni ga ni kier bia work Barzal you will move to Barzal yeah en ga ni kier you will move to Barzal you will not run your mouth and God if you God Kiir in it piga gajak nobody will run jata denga way no shut the hell up ain't nothing called denga way be beleta Barzal you will go there you will move like Darkwest move to Bor. Darkwest move to Bor. Governor Yagai Kok move to Bor from Bor to Musachwa. Mun logo noir, bien and be. Mun logo coinka logo noir, bien and be. Mun logo to Toro coinka logo noir, bien and be. That's what happening now. Mun logo coinka logo noir, bien and be. Ada Darkwest God fi Bor de Monjang wodalo chuluk chalago de Dangabur ngot chakan je de lai le lu ngado mun wai Ria guy cook too many operation every day operation but operation that gilip operation but nyam operation but ngam operation but Chadungai chan bro go dung len man no ramadi but man right chan bro go dung len man but man right go dungai ko mo go pek every morning operation che yo Salva Kiir tu every morning operation but male operation ta level galem da budung dia mo go pek asa bo go le fi hospital bed fi Nairobi Gadga, yeah. But don't you have more effect? Jenny? Chad, don't you have more effect? No, Chabo more effect. And SPLIO now. I'm SPLIO born again, SPLIO. Oh, Chai baptized. We did have a Musach right now. I'm a love baptized. Reborn again. SPLIO. Oh, Kalamu, I'm down but they don't have more effect. You ready? Ah, I don't know more effect. What? Chai luen chiang da dung no ara ya la da tak sa ga de like you not right you got no you know very well this is your community you know your community nobody know your community better than you de ngong jang dung yo bang yo tu lo da yo kulu yo de cha kok ria gai kok cha ga nang ke na kulung ke na sha lo man kulung musajwa yo ji ga tok da Lana every minute I'm a layer. Every minute operation. Every operation but I choke. Operation but I glip. Operation but I eye. Operation but I listen. Operation but I move. Too many fucking operations. Too many fucking operations. Lana cha dung no mo ge pek. The guy. Kod noir. Cha dung red guy cook mo ge pek. Kede is a done deal. He will never come back to Launwer again. Bejebu bas tanduk. AB is lucky to get tanduk putamut. Yo bejebu be of Launwer. All bechilu bi medingbor. Lana biga mon yeng. Mon bor. I jam at on a young the wall at guy cock. Zola banado $4 shabab. Missing in action. Dollar jera. Lano ubade gang door kir beji malakal. Gang door kir beji malakal. Why me beji malakal? Lema ko first time. Why me came to Malakal ukita urnyang 1992. Why me came to Malakal in 2013. Why me will come to Malakal again? They will come to Malakal. Malakal nade. Why me will visit Malakal. So dollar he came to his state, he stole the money, sort of Guruji da Walaya, or fat, maybe Uganda, maybe Kenya, nobody know. Lana waiting for why me if Malakal now is a big mistake. So dollar is good, he's doing fine. Jara. She will do that. There's all little muk. Dollar ma belit, shall Guruji without quick, and then Jara. As I not got a danga fatal Malakal lady, dollar elo no. Dollar elo me the dollar me shakul dollar ma budgetani dan chocolate anwere e mai chocolate nan bam ji fiu saket dede asa olan garamalo telephone fi juba salbake garamalo telephone olanya chamchur weno chamchur am dagde chamchur fi law nwere hang up always. Salbake babul go hang up. Salbake go hang up. Tule chamchur mafia. Olan nur benta mena wenu chamchur am dawde chamchur and no South Sudan people defend force. Olan gal Salbake gal South Sudan people defend force mangat lele. South Sudan people defend force mangat lele. Karam shi bil fam. Wer ke bil fam lo ite bal guys ta chuluk. Askari ta chuluk fi bil fam. Police da bill from this village Junuzan lo fees muda collect forward. Zero. So banadu to South Sudan people defend force kef. We mind the isum bill from. Chumu da danga. Just with that collect kuluma bizon do isum da bill from. Till the door shala ke. So they just dying for nothing. Ola ngale ya Salbake yel nyumore ya juna ngong kai ne ba ngala ola mbila so sejeno ga ola ngal bana budo le la ngom mal budo le la ngom be juba ne hone ma bi agwala tane ida did you see agwala be mal da agwala gam da gatira de be jibu be de baba be jibu be junu chamjur ma fi chamchura za folai da jungle lana cha dungja na mo jepek cha mo jepek. As a red bell, Salbake is looking for red bell. Red bell, come to protect your state. Red bell, gala, akuma nanyamo. Red bell, my daddy shackle. Red bell, girl, we're here to protect our cow. We're not here to protect Salbake leadership. Yamdak, Kidibul woman. They lie to them. They mislead them. Come sign this war. You will come and South Sudan people defend force now. You know now you will be taken. You will be deployed to what? To UAE, to Ajad, Red Bell, Mamer gal, Akuma Nenemo. Anon, Chilna Silaba Kalambegar Patana. Tonga Murle, Lofi Chocolate Amole. I know the shackle. Like in Chocolate Anwer. No. Calm down, Benua, take a malay. Calm down, Benua, take a malay. Red Bell, they refuse to fight. They refuse to fight. Red Bell gal, fuck all of y'all. I have a golden magic jackal manuere. I can do little talga for him, but I don't. Talga for the land. Shut the fuck up, say SPL away. No. This is the radio of 1996. Radio of 1996. This is what happening now. Yamda woman Javi, Malda, Olan. General Olan is a very funny man. General Olan make it double. You are not. too many gazal, too many alabogolu, you know, tiang. They be jo allow now. Now that cool tamam now Paul Lang the Dolgar button without a beer get it. Hasbiala Domba. Aza, all and Mafi lam tani. Aza gala Hasbiala, now the Amda Gala Hasbiala, the Robo, I don't tell Bukuchum Rao, Talga Bukuchum Rao Kulu, Talga, Danga the Kulu, the Robo Kuchum, Talga Waba, Kuchum. Tum. Ilaza Galia, Jay Shabi, I don't go in, I don't know Jay Danga, Kern no Gula away. Shut the fuck up, oh, we shackle that Danga. Danga, you're correct. And I will leave my yes. Children are they doing well. Oh, they're doing well. Nuer is doing well. Nuer never been more happy than this time. Nuer never been this happy. Now, when you know that your own country betray you, Baulek Jebra Uganda, Jabulak Chiluk, Jabulak Anyak, Jabulak the Bell could Murle Brau Yogal now. Murle Brau was Yogal now. Murle Brau was Yogal now. Lakin the Bell Lokulu, Jabukulu. They declare war on you. And you survive. I do you now, come on. Not just a survival, but you do you now. That George na, be Tayarata, Uganda, be Jay, be Agwala, be George na. And you should be proud of yourself. Yeah, you should be proud of yourself. Do you not the while that you are something. You are not just a man. You are something. You are made up of something. And God that created you, you should be proud of that God. You should be proud of that God. That's after all the things been done. Your country betray you. You've been declared as enemy of the state. Enemy of the state. Javunas Kulu. But you still survive. And now African Union and IGAD or America and UN, they agree with you, not Salva Kiir. Yeah, you should be proud of yourself. Yeah. You should be proud of yourself. Bye-bye, guys.